Let's begin with a story that took place just this afternoon. The High Court has ordered President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint four Court of Appeal judges and 2 Land and Environment Court judges he previously rejected within 14 days. The judges were among 40 who were recommended for appointment by the JSC, but you'll remember that President Kenyatta only appointed 34. Now, should the president ignore the High Court ruling today, the court has directed that the 6 be duly appointed and sworn in.
In its judgment, the 3-judge bench of the High Court, composed of Justices George Dulu, William Musyoka and James Wakiaga, directed that the president appoint the judges nominated by the JSC, namely George Odunga, Aggrey Muchelule, Joel Ngugi and Weldon Korir, to the Court of Appeal, and Mombasa Chief Magistrate Evans Makori, as well as High Court Deputy Registrar Judith Omange, to the Lands and Environment Court.
That subsequent to their being deemed appointed under B above, that third respondent, in conjunction with a first interested party, shall be at liberty to take all necessary steps to swear the 6 judges.
The High Court judges ordering that upon the lapse of the 14 days without President Uhuru Kenyatta making the appointments, it would be presumed his power and or authority on the issue had expired, and the 6 nominees will be deemed as duly appointed to their respective offices. The president had intimated in June during the swearing-in of 34 newly promoted judges that his refusal was based on questions by government agencies about the rejected judges.
His Excellency the President will not abdicate his role as head of state and government to appoint persons with a questionable record to serve the nation in the solemn role of judge.
The High Court directed that the president's failure to do as ordered would put at liberty Chief Justice Martha Koome and the Judicial Service Commission to take all necessary steps in having the nominees sworn in and assigned duties. The president, when he last addressed the issue, was adamant. The High Court additionally ordered that the President and the Attorney General bear the costs of the petition that was filed by the Katiba Institute to enforce declaratory orders made in February 2020 to the effect that President Kenyatta had violated the Constitution. Nimro Tabu, Citizen TV.